guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back with Talking Head. This time it's another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. This time is December Fit Box. If you don't know what the Fit Box, it's a subscription box. It helps you give you a percentage to go to the gym. You know, it give you a planner how what exercise you better for you. A lot of nutrition stuff. You know, they give you protein. They give you a lot of stuff. So we're gonna unbox what the December Fit Box came in. And hey, by the way, it's not a box. It's a bag. So they have a special too. So I think December, Christmas time, they have a $15. $15. This is usually I think like 65. So they have a $15 box. So and it's a lot. So women and men. So if you're women, any size, extra large, medium, or you can choose a Fit Box for women. So let's see what this month came into. So thanks a lot for Fit Box. Right now, they gave me there you go, workout. Pre-workout possible strawberry beet. It's very good. It's organic though. Organic plant-based nutrition. Backed by science, powder, and standby. So it's an energy support. So pretty cool, right? And calories is 20 servings container. One pack is 14 grams. So pretty good, guys. So it's a lot of workout. So you put it in your milk, water, yeah, and you can drink it. It's pretty good. So it's plant-based strawberry beet. So I'm gonna check this out later on. I'm gonna do a video of that one. So let's keep digging what the Fit Box bag came into. And let's see what else they give. 50 full functional fitness workout. So it came out with a workout. This is what they're talking about. It's you don't need equipment. It has a full body and benchmark. So it's everything's in here. It's like mini cards. You can work and do reps. It tells you how many reps you can take, you know, here and there. So this is a good one. So here it is, all the stuff you can get. It's pretty good, Fit Box. Thank you, very good. Then I can remember what reps I'm doing at the gym. So, and the next thing they give you is Rule Breaker. It's plant-based, delicious, soft baked mint cookie brownie. Look at that. Look at that. All natural, guys. All natural. So Fit Box, if you want to work out this next 2025, this is the box for you. So make sure you eat all you want to eat now, and you want to begin the gym in 2025. Be a brand new you. Lose a little bit of weight. Or be a fit. There you go. Get the Fit Box. So pretty good. Plant-based mint chocolate. So I'm gonna try these one too. So doing shorts on all these. So that's what they got. And a lot of stuff in this box or bag. There you go. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. The 120 gram multivitamin C. So this one. Okay, this is pretty good. The powder. Actually, not bad. I like it. Electrolytes. There you go. Adam, need electrolytes. So it's pretty good. This is a dairy tangerine flavor. Oh, pretty good. Tangerine flavor. I love tangerine. Actually, I have a couple of them here. There you go. But yeah, back. It's a lot. Wow, it's a lot. They sent a whole box of this. How many in here? 30 packs. You get 30 packs. Thank you, Big Box. So that's pretty good too. And I'll put it in. They send you magnesium gummies. Oh, look at that. Wow. There's a whole box in December, guys. You better get it. I know it's everywhere. I'm gonna post a link on it so you can get it. It's not sponsored. I just want I advise you guys just to get this. Look at these gummies. Everything's good. Magnesium gummies support stress, relaxing, heart, muscle, cell integrity, immunity, bones, nerve. Wow, and it's peach flavor. There you go, peach flavor. Definitely, this is gonna be my stupid mix. And uplifting energy leech, artificial flavor, 0 calories, 125 milligram of caffeine, and they give you a drink. I bet it energy from green tea and vitamin B. All right, so and immune system for vitamin C. So Glenn, I'm gonna check this out. So this all came in the box or in the bag, either way you say. And of course a lot of stuff they got. Meet the December box. It tells you what you got. So and then every box come with a shirt or apparel, woman or man. So this month it came with a sweatpants. Really good. Wow. Large, of course. These are nice. Let's check this out. Oh wow, look at this. Super nice. Material is super. Wow. Thank you, Fit Box. Wow, it's really, really good. So guys, if you want to get in shape this 2025, I recommend the Fit Box. Pretty good. And right now they have a special. They went, really over 80% off. It's crazy. It's $15 a whole box. So for December. So make sure you have it. I think hopefully they're still available. I'm gonna put the link below. If not, just check them out. Give them a try. And yeah, and pretty good. Look at this. So each month, they bring apparel, some goodies, some vitamins, some power pack, and then of course this month they bring you a whole schedule so you can make sure you routines, and of course I like these mint chocolate. So guys, so check it out. It's a Fit Box, and it's pretty good. It came in with a workout cards, like I told you. Men's is with a striking. It's all men's strike joggers, and for women it was Wild South women's strike joggers. So the same thing for women and men. So I got the joggers, and of course all this right here. So if you want to get the Fit Box right here, that's the logo, www.fitbox.com. I'm gonna put the link below so you can check it out, and hey, start the 2025 one more week in the bag. So start that. Check it out on the website below. Not sponsors. This is I do it because I want to make sure everybody is set up and everything else. So I think December is almost done, but make sure if you can get that $15 box. And it's not a box, it's a whole bag, man. Look at this. So this is special for December. So hopefully I can't wait to see what's coming up next month. But hey, each one of these things I'm gonna do a short. I'm gonna try a short with the berries, a short with a pack, short with the gummies, and I'm gonna drink that, put it in the refrigerator, see what it tastes like. I'm not a fan of energy drink, but we can check this out. And of course, I gotta share these with Faye. So if not, she's gonna be like, "Well, you might try mint chocolate." So it's mint, so I like it. Mint chocolate right here. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it much. So if you wanted to get fit next year, next week, start with your Fit Box. Read the link below, and I see you in my next video. Thank you.
Give it to me like